Well, I bought the van in 2020. I was a bit bored during COVID, and I just used to work with my father in the family business. He was an engineer. He taught me everything I know, and I saw this on eBay in Nottingham and went down to have a look at it. And when I drove it on a test drive, it was not good. The brakes weren't working, the steering was heavy. It was just a bit of a mess. It was tired, it just needed a bit of work doing to it, a bit of TLC. So I had a chat with the guy who owned it. We did the dance, came to an agreement, he delivered it, and then I just put it into my garage, and I decided just to start at the front and work my way through it from front to back. So that was basically what I did. So anything I came across that needed repairing or replacing, I just did it. So springs were off, shock absorbers were off, all sent away to be retempered and refurbished. Steering box was refurbished, all the brakes were overhauled. You name it, the electrics were all sorted. Speedometer was seized, that was sent off to get repaired. Just anything that needed doing got done. So now the van is perfect. Everything works on the van. There's not a thing doesn't work, and it's up to MOT standard. It's not its original registration. One of its previous owners sold that. So this is a kind of replacement one. But it spent its entire working life in Canterbury, and from 1947 when it was new to I think it was sold in 1964. Portsmouth auctions, and like I say, I saw it on eBay in 2020, and I just thought, yeah, it's something that's got a bit of character and a little bit it's a bit different. I was talking to Mr. Matthewson from Bangers and Cash, and he says you don't see many old commercials because commercials were built to work, and most of them were worked to death. So he said when you do see a nice little commercial, he says they're usually worthy of note, you know.
Watch some more from Radio Jonaphone. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy.